Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys two things. First, I'm going to show you guys how you can hide a YouTube video from being shown by setting it to private. And then I'm going to show you guys how you can delete a video permanently from your YouTube channel. I'm going to be showing you how to do this from both your mobile device and computer, so stick around. All right, now, before I show you guys exactly how to set a video to private and delete a video, I just want you guys to be aware that once you set it to private, only people that have access to your YouTube channel are going to be able to view this video. Once you delete a video, you're deleting it forever. So I do highly recommend setting it to private over deleting the video. Now that we got that out of the way, let's jump into my mobile device and I'll show you guys exactly how to do this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to the YouTube app. Once you're there, you're going to click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. And then at the bottom again, you're going to click on your videos. From there, we're going to find the video we want to set to private. So once we found the video, we're going to click on the three dots off on the right. And then we're going to click on edit. And then the second one down where it says visibility public, we're going to click on that. And this is where you can set it to private. So if we click on private, then we go back, here we have the option to save it. Once you do that, your video is set to private and only people that have access to your YouTube account are going to be able to see this video. Now to delete the video, we're going to go back to our videos. We're going to click on the three dots again. Then at the bottom where it says delete, we're going to click on that. From here, we're going to confirm that we want to delete the video. But just remember, once we delete the video, it's gone forever. So be 100% sure you want to delete this video. Now let's jump into my computer and I'll show you how to do it from there. Okay, so now that we're on my computer, we're going to want to head over to the YouTube Studio. So to do that, we're going to click on our profile image in the top right corner and then go down to YouTube Studio. From there, off on the left, we're going to click on Content. And then we're going to find the video we want to set to private. So we'll say this video right here. So where it says public with the drop down, we're going to click on that. Then we're going to go to private and then click save. And once we hit save, only people that have access to our YouTube channel are going to be able to view this video. Now to delete the video, we're going to go to the three dots again like before, and then go to delete forever. Then once we click delete forever, we're going to get a pop-up to confirm that we want to delete this video forever. And the video will then be removed from your channel. Then we could also delete multiple videos at the same time. So if you want to do that, all you have to do is check the videos you want. So we'll say we want to delete these 5 videos right here. We'll check all 5 of those. And then we'll go up to more actions, click on that, and then delete forever. And that'll delete the multiple videos. And that's it. That's how you set videos to private and delete them from your YouTube channel. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.